Traders. For today's session, I decided to cover a gold market. I will speak about the euro versus US dollar and also crude oil. I will start with the gold market first. This is the multi-time frame chart. As you can see, we got a 30-minute, hourly, 2-hour time frame, and a 4-hour time frame. Obviously, on the longer time frames, like 2-hour and a 4-hour, we in the very, like I will say, very heavy contraction or consolidation, more horizontal rectangle stuff. And we are right now somewhere in the middle, around 1798 level. Definitely the key support for the gold is set at the 1790, right? 1790 is a critical support level for the gold. I must also say that we do have today FOMC statement and FOMC press conference, so expect a bigger volatility during this event and potential for the breakouts in many different markets, including the gold market. So now we can speak about potential breakout modes. In case of the downside breakout mode of 1790 and some follow through to the downside, I don't see the reason why the gold cannot retest 1752. But in case of the upside breakout of the resistance at 1810, I don't see the reason why we cannot retest 1825 or 1835. So watch for the breakout. This is a definitely heavy contraction consolidation, which will at some point, I think, and I can say that usually after such a big fundamental event like FOMC, we will have some kind of breakout. So watch for the breakout on the gold. Crude oil is actually also doing the contraction, and most recently got some fake breakout of the highs back into the contraction again. So I've seen this with a higher highs, higher lows, but we also got some, we're building some contraction, some base. So watch for also if we'll have some good upside move and some retest, this can eventually lead this to maybe an up to 74 or 75 level. So watch for that. In case of the downside breakout of this mini call like a wedge, then potentially retest of 70-60 can be in the play. And testing and seeing the euro dollar still very, like falling wedge on the 4-hour daily, ECB high broken, fake breakout, outside bar, inside bar, so big noise prior to FOMC, so everything is literally possible here. I will say if the price will break again 1.1830 or 40 and attack this with a stronger momentum, then this can be the play for something like this towards the 1.1880. But if the FOMC will bring more sellers back and take lows here, we obviously can revisit the 1.1750 or even try to take the low from end of the March around 1.1710 zone. So watch carefully, and also definitely most of the markets and major currency pairs, gold, crude, it's all like contraction balancing process, and I think everyone is awaiting for that FOMC before they will pull any bigger trigger or they will put any bigger money into the play. So watch careful FOMC and the post FOMC effect, and watch the price action and charts. That will be all for today. See you all tomorrow morning.